Hey everyone, this is Anton with IntellCRE. And in this short guide, we're going to look at how you can create and share property or deal websites using the IntellCRE system. So the prerequisite is that your deal or property is already created in your pipeline. You can have property with analysis or property without analysis. The other prerequisite is that we have our branding set up. So in the settings, organization, custom branding, and organization info, you see we have uploaded our property website logo, our colors, and also we can configure our NDA setting in the marketing package. Here's our NDA that we can customize. This is going to be relevant for when we're sharing a website that has an NDA protection. So from your pipeline, you click on the property for which we want to create a property website. We navigate to property websites in the property menu, and then we click share property website. This opens up the property website configuration page where in cases of properties with financial analyses, we can choose which analysis or financial package we want to include. Then we choose whether we want to have an unprotected share, meaning that anyone who clicks on the link can access the deal, or we can also do the NDA protected share. And there's two levels of protection. Anybody with a link, or unrestricted, meaning that whoever clicks on the link needs to sign an NDA, and then it's able to view the deal. The more restricted or only selected recipients option, we need to provide emails and names of the recipients here, and then whoever is trying to access the deal must enter the correct email and name in order to then e-sign an NDA and then view the deal. So we're going to go with the link share here. You have the option to change the authors, so either including people from your organization or adding external authors for the deal website. And then we also have the option to configure the property website content. So similarly, as with brochures, we can reorder the sections. We can exclude sections or subsections or individual data points based on our needs. And that's it. So very simple. We can already copy this link, which is the unique link for this property website. And this link we can share in a message, email, social media. And this is the link for the deal website here. So we can also view the website by clicking on View Website Presentation. And we can make sure that that we've included everything that we wanted. Our photos are there. In fact, we can also have a cover video. All of this is basically configurable in the property info, similarly as for brochures, flyers, and other documents that we can generate. You have your branding here, deal name, address. We have property info and key metrics up top. And then we have in terms of the contents, we have the property or deal overview. Then we have the financial package, meaning rent roll, charts, operating pro forma, projections, cash flow. This is in fact interactive. Then we have our sensitivity analysis, assumptions, and then we continue to sales comps, rent comps, and then to our market overview and demographics, employers, location map, all of that. So there you have it, creating a deal website, either unrestricted share with unrestricted share or NDA protected share. Using the IntellCRE platform is as simple as navigating to the website, then property websites, and then clicking Create Website. We can also view in the Property Websites tab. We can view the view analytics. So basically, we can have several websites, and we can track how many visitors we had, how long they looked at the website, scroll depth, and many other analytics. To help us track user engagement with our deal. So thank you very much for watching this guide, and see you in the next video.